welcome to another Math Homework Helpers Short. I'm Max, and this is the mighty Mr. Teng. Mr. Teng, how's it going?
Good. How are you doing, bud?
I'm all right. What do we got today?
So we're going to be working with our 5th grade friends, and we're going to be working on multiplication and division, and taking a look at how we can apply some of the concepts that we've learned about these multiplication and division with decimals.
Cool. Decimals. Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at some word problems here today. So Dante wants to spend some of his allowance money, but he's having a hard time deciding what to buy. He loves baseball cards, packs of gum, bouncy balls. Our job is to fill in the ratio tables and answer the questions to help Dante keep track of what he can buy.
Okay.
So we have a ratio table here, which is going to be the model in which we use our math here to show our different strategies.
Right.
So Dante's favorite packs of baseball cards cost $1.70 each. Fill in the table below to show the cost of the different numbers of packs of baseball cards. So it looks like we have 2 packs, 4 packs, 8 packs, 9 packs, 10 packs. So pretty much what we're going to do is figure out, we're going to use what we know to figure out what we don't know.
Ooh, going from the known to the unknown.
Okay, because this is kind of scary when we think about multiplying with decimals, but we'll just try to figure out what we know and use that.
Sounds good. And this is totally real world kind of stuff.
Yeah. Although I don't know if you can get a pack of baseball cards for $1.70 nowadays.
I don't know. Good call on that one.
Yeah. All right. So if 1 pack costs $1.70, how much does 2 packs cost? What's one way you can help figure that out?
Well, we could multiply it by 2. Or we could add $1.70.
Yeah, let's just do that real quick. So let's just add $1.70 and $1.70, and that's going to give us $3.40 for 2 packs. And some of you sitting at home are probably doubling experts here, and you're like, oh, I knew that because I can double $1.70 plus $1.70, and you're getting really fast and efficient with being able to find doubles, which is a great strategy and will lead us into figuring out what's coming next.
Ooh.
Because now that we know how many 2 packs would be, can we figure out how many 4 packs would be?
We're just doubling again.
We're just doubling again. And when we double something, we're multiplying it by
2.
So just like we did here, we get from 1 to 2, we multiplied by 2. We did 170 times 2, and we got $3.40. So in the same way, when we're looking at the next number we have to figure out, can we multiply 2 times 2 to get to 4?
Absolutely.
So we'll do the same exact thing here. $3.40 times 2, or doubled, $3.40. I'm just going to go ahead and add it, because I know that when I'm doubling it, I can just add it again. And this is nice because I don't even have to regroup here.
Yeah.
And some of you sitting at home is like, oh, I did that in my head. And that's wonderful that you can do that, but let's try to keep track of our thinking.
That's right.
$6.80.
Noise.
All right. So now we know 4 packs of cards is going to cost us $6.80. Max, what do you think about the next one?
So here we go. We're going from 4 to 8, which again is twice the amount.
All right, so from 4 to 8, we are again doubling, which we know that we can do times 2, or just add it to itself twice. So $6.80. If we can try multiplying it too. So $6.80 times 2 would be 80 cents times 2, and $6 times 2, right?
Right.
So if I take 80 cents and multiply it times 2, that's going to be $1 and not 20 cents.
60 cents.
$1.60. And if I take $6 and double it, that's
$12.
So then I would have $13.60.
Starting to get pretty expensive.
Well, how much money do we have? Oh, we don't know yet, do we?
Nope.
All right, so $13.60. And now if we want to get 9 packs, oh boy.
Well, you know what? I was just looking at that before you were mentioning it, and I realized, I was like, uh-oh, there's 9. That looks tricky. But it's only 1 more than 8.
Bingo. So in this case right now, we're not doubling it.
No.
We're just going to go ahead and add 1 more group of $1.70.
$1.70.
So if we start off with 8 packs, which was $13.60, we can go ahead and add $1.70, and that would give us $15.30.
Very cute.
Okay, so just to keep note, we didn't multiply by 2, we just added 1, right? And we added one group, so we added $1.70.
So I'm looking at 10, which is the next one. And we could again just add $1.70. But you could do it another way, couldn't you?
What other way could we do it? We definitely could add $1.70, but what's another way we could do
Well, I'm just thinking, if you just take the original $1.70 times 10.
Which would be what?
I don't know. $17.70.
$17. Yeah. So if we have 10 groups of $1.70, we would have $17.
Yeah.
So $17. And you could double check that because the first thing you said was we could take $15.30 and add $1.70 to it. And 30 plus 70, I know in my head, that's equals 100.
Right.
So that's up to the next dollar. So I have 16 plus one more dollar would be
17. You know what? I think I said $17.10 for some reason. I didn't mean to say that.
Oh.
$17 even.
I heard $17.
All right, good.
Awesome. And now what we have is 15.
Okay. For this one, I'm letting you take control because I have no idea.
Okay. Well, I think it's going to be a lot easier than you think.
Okay.
Because if we know 10 of them is going to be 17, we could start there, right?
Okay.
We know that we have 10 because 15, there's 10 in 15.
Right. And you know what? 17 is a nice round number to work with.
Yeah, it totally is. And also, what numbers do we need? So if we have 10, how many more do we need to get to 15?
5 more.
5 more. Don't we know how many one group is and how many 4 groups is?
Totally.
Yeah. So then we could take our 17, right, which is 10 groups.
Right.
We can add it to one group, which is $1.70, and we can add it to 4 groups, which is
$6.80.
So boys and girls, we're not actually sitting here and taking our time to multiply 15 times $1.70. We're using what we know to figure out what we don't know.
That is so cool.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, why don't we? So 10 groups is $17. I'm going to do it right here on the side. So $17 plus $1.70 plus $6.80. So if I'm looking at my cents or my pennies, I have 0.
Right.
If I'm looking at my dimes, I have 7 dimes plus 8 dimes, or 70 cents plus 80 cents is
$1.50.
$1.50. So 50 cents here, and then the dollar gets regrouped into the dollars. So I have 7, 8, 9 plus 6 is 15. So I take my 10 and regroup it into the tens place. 10 plus 10 is
2. Or I should say 20.
So $25.50.
That is so cool. It's kind of like magic. Seriously.
It kind of is like magic, right? So this part, if we weren't already this far in, it would probably be pretty hard, right?
Yeah.
So let's finish strong here, okay?
Okay.
So we have one last problem. Let's go ahead and erase the work so we have room to show it all on the same page. You at home would not be erasing your work. You'd be nice and neat and keep all your notes together. But here we have 25 groups. So what can we use to figure out how much money it would cost to get 25 packs of baseball cards?
Well, we already have the 20, and all we need, we already have the 15, and we need 10 more packs.
Yep. So we could just add them together.
That's right.
So 10 and 15 added together would be 25. So I can go ahead and add these. So 17 plus 25, 50. And let's finish strong here. Gonna go with my favorite color of orange.
I love it.
And let's go $25.50 plus $17, because I know that $25.50 represents 15 packs and $17 represents 10 packs. So altogether, in order to figure out how many packs, how much money 25 packs would cost, we would say 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, right?
50
cents plus 0 cents is 50 cents. Now we're in our dollars place.
Yep.
$5 plus $7 is $12. So we're going to regroup our 10. Our $10 plus $20 is $30, plus 10 more dollars is
$40.
So all together, our total for 25 packs of baseball cards is
$42.50. That's a lot of baseball cards.
That's a lot of money, and that's a lot of baseball cards.
Yeah. But then again, we know Dante really likes them.
Yeah. So
there you go.
Because that's the only one we solved, he's going with the baseball cards.
That's right. Very cool.
All right. Well, that's all the time we have for you guys. Hope you had a great time doing the math like we did.
That was awesome. I love how we really broke that down, and we were able to use the knowledge we were able to obtain to figure out the rest of it. Mm-hmm. Really cool. Well, boys and girls, we will see you next time on our next Math Homework Helper Short. Until then, have fun with your math, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Math Homework Helpers